Hello everyone, welcome to part 56 of Laravel 9 series, in which we are creating the multi-vendor e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the dynamic slider banners, and we are going to work on the add edit banner functionality in this video. In the last few videos we have seen that we able to create the banners table, we able to insert some of the dummy banners with Sidebar. After that we able to display these banners in the admin panel with the enable, disable and delete functionality. Okay, so now we are going to work on the add banner, add edit banner. Okay, so let's start. So first thing is we will create the route in web.php file for the add edit banner in the same way like we used to create for like add edit product, add edit category, add edit brand. Okay, so in the same way we are going to do for the banner. We are going to use match both get and post method. Okay, so now we are going to do it like this: route match get post, both we are going to use in this one. Get as well as post for posting the data, and get just to display the form. Okay, so we are going to make it like add edit banner, add hyphen edit hyphen banner. Also id is optional. Okay, if we will not pass the id, then it means we are adding the banner. If we pass the id, then it means that we are editing the banner, like we always do. Okay, then banners controller, after that add edit banner. Okay, so now we are going to create this function in banners controller, and we are going to create this function public function add edit banner. Okay, so to do like this, so we are going to pass request $request, and also the id can be null because it may come or may not come. In case of add, this id will not come. Okay, so that's why. So here we are going to add if $id equal to empty, then it means it is for the add banner. Okay, we are going to add the banner functionality here. Okay, so here I'm going to do like this, then okay, so for add banner, $banner new banner like this, and title we're going to here add banner image, and also message we can add in advance, that is banner added successfully, that we are going to use every time after adding the banner. And in the same way for updating the banner, we are going to use $banner. We are going to use the find here with banner model. Okay, and we are going to find with the $id that we are going to use in case of edit banner. Okay, so same way $title will be edit banner image, and $message will be banner updated successfully. Okay, so now the post method that will come up if we are going to post the banner in $request is method post. We are going to use the post method every time if we will get the data from the form. Request all, so we are going to display this one like this. Okay, fine. And Okay, so first of all, we are going to work on its view. We are going to create the add edit banner form, and for that we are going to create that page also, add edit banner blade file. Okay, so here I am going to make it a return view. Admin, under admin we are going to create banners folder is already there. In that we are going to create add edit banner blade file. Okay, in that we are going to pass this banner detail. In case of edit we are going to pass here also title we are going to pass. Okay, title add or edit. Okay, and along with that we are going to pass here the banner maybe when an array may be empty, or maybe if in case of edit it is the earlier banner details, so that we are going to show in the edit form. Okay, so this one we can use. So now we are going to create this add edit banner file inside ecom resources views admin, and where is the banner? Here it is. Okay, I'm going to make it arrange sort by name like this, or sort by kind. Okay, so in banner I'm going to create file new terminal folder. In Mac we need to create the file like this, add edit banner .blade.php. You know how to create the file inside Windows, just you are required to go inside the folder and just right click, create new file, and rename it to add edit banner.blade.php, add underscore edit underscore banner.blade.php. Okay, so this file we are going to open here. So for saving time we want to add the complete data, complete view. Okay, that we can copy from like we can copy from the add edit category as well. Okay, then we can keep this category image as banner image. Then we will replace that. We require the 4 columns, 4 fields, one for the image, one for the title, link and alt. Okay, so we can copy from here. So what I can do, I can open add edit category and we'll copy this one and we'll paste this one. It will save our time. Okay, here we can just make the quick changes. Okay, so see everywhere I am going to use okay, so check once, category here banner, and this category we are going to use banner. We can do for all for the time being. After that we are going to remove the unwanted data. This is not required at all. Okay, now we can remove the unwanted data. Okay, this one select section we can remove. This banner name we can replace with the that link of the banner as well. Okay, we can give here the link of the banner image. So we can do one thing, banner link. Okay, so in the same way we will use banner image, and here what we can do, we can bring it down. First banner image will come, and here we can simply use here image. We can do like this here as well, image. Okay, this one is fine. Front images, banner images. After that see banner link. Okay, so banner link is also fine. We also require the banner title as well. Use banner title first, title, and here we can simply add title. Okay, then banner link, and this one we can remove. Banner title, banner link. Okay, we can use first banner link, then banner title, and last one is the banner alt means banner alternate test, alternate test. That is good for the SEO board title as well as alternate test. Here we will keep it alt. Okay, the rest of the columns we can simply remove. Fine. Now it seems to be fine. We can check once whether we have replaced all. Yes, we done. Now we can simply go back and we'll open that banners in the banner management, slider banner, add banner, click on add banner, add edit banner. We can't able to see add edit banner here, so maybe there is some issue. Add edit banner, BannersController, and it is not come, it is saying 404. So we need to check here. addEditBanner is here, and under admin banners, addEditBanner, make sure that everything is correct. I'm going to check under sources, views, admin, banners, and addEditBanner. Okay, so it seems to be fine though, and we can do one thing. We can first test it like this. Still it is not coming. Admin addEditBanner, make sure that we have done everything correctly. Here the question mark is required after ID because it is the optional. So every time if we are going to use the optional, then we require the question mark. Okay, so the ID is optional here. If we will not pass the ID, it means it is for the add, otherwise it is for the edit if we are going to pass the ID. So here we need to write the question mark. Okay, so now we are going to refresh. Now it is working fine. Okay, that's silly mistake. Don't do such kind of silly mistakes at your end. Okay, so now we can see that we able to see the banners. Okay, but we can see here it is not working properly because we need to update the sidebar because it is not showing the correct result. So we can also update the sidebar here. We have shown here the banners management, but still something is missing. User management, banners management. Okay, we require like such kind of data that is required. Conditions are also required, like after sub menu we required such data to be filled up. Okay, in both cases, here also. Okay, and along with that we require this one in both the cases for the user as well as for this is the condition that which tabs comes under the heading. Okay, which tabs, like the slider banner comes under the banner management. Okay, like this. So we are going to select all. So here also we are going to do inside nav item, here we are going to do like this, and then we are going to replace it with the users. Move rest of the thing. Okay, so here fine. Now the same thing we are going to use for the banners as well. In the item here we are going to add banners Yeah, here one more condition is required for the subscribers. Okay, so that see, we are going to use it for the subscribers as well. Okay, in the same way like we have done there, or this condition is for the subscribers as well. Okay, so now inside this condition is required inside the inner tabs, this one. Okay, we can see here we group required for both this one and this one, and also same is required here as well. Okay, so now this one is for the users. Okay, we know it's for the users, we can replace it for the users, and this one we can replace for the subscribers. Fine. In the same way, this one we can replace here for the banners. Okay, so now it seems to be fine. Yeah, we can check once, refresh. Okay, so now I'm going to select this one slider banner. Still it is not choosing the right, because we also require the session here. We can see in category management we need the page session. Here you can see the session put page categories, and there in banners module we require here banners. Okay, only then our condition will work. Okay, so here as well for addEditBanner as well banners. Now we are going to refresh and see, we need to add here the session, use session, and now we are going to check once again, and this time you can see banners management and slider banner under that selected, highlighted. Okay, so we can check this is working fine. And now we're going to check for the add banner. Still it is able to highlight this banner management, but we want to keep it like this. Okay, like we are doing the categories. If we click on add category, okay, so it is just highlighting that in every module. Okay, so that's fine, no issue. Still it is highlighting like we do add banner, still it is highlighting banners management. Okay, so now we are going to work on the add banner image, and here we are going to fill up the form and going to add the banner, and see that same banner we are going to add that we have got with our template. I'm going to search in our template images and banners, and these two banners, banner 1 and banner 2, I'm going to first select the banner 1. Okay, I will just simply write it banner, or any link I can give. Okay, like the spring collection is given there, spring collection I'm going to give here, and title as well as test we are going to give it like this. So let's see, submit. So it is coming fine. We can see we able to get link, title, alt, and along with the image. Okay, so we able to view the data in our post method. So now the only thing we need to do here, going to save the data, okay, along with the image. So for that we are going to save, and we can take help here from here as well. See here the image, this one we can pick up this image, and also these rules we can add if in case we want those like title, but I don't think that is required. You can just make the banner image as required. Okay, and rest fields you can simply add here for the banner image as required. Okay, or we can keep it like this as it's the part of the admin. But for other things like this image, we can copy this one and we'll paste there, so that it will help us to do our task quickly. So see, this is the upload category image code. We are going to replace with upload banner image, and category image we are going to replace this one category image with the image, as we are getting the image from there. And here we are going to make it banner image here as well. So in both cases we are going to we are going to change this one. Okay, banner as well as banner. Okay, this one already started here, you can see already started here, banner. Fine. After that, this banner category, in place of category image, it is image. Okay, so here banner images. So now everything is fine. Only see, we are not resizing the image. Okay, but we can also resize the image. We can open that product controller here, add edit banner, add edit product. Okay, here see, we can check here the resize image. See, if we want to resize the banner, then we can simply do it here. Okay, and for resizing the banner, we need to check the size of the banner. We can simply go to our template and can check the size of the banner. This banner here, see, going to check get info. So here, where is the size? Here is 1920 into 720. So what we can do here, we can resize our banner as well. We can simply add here resize. Okay, then first one is the 1920 that we have seen, and next one is the 720. Okay, we can resize it. First one is the width and second one is the height. Resize and then save. Okay, we can simply do it like this. So before that, see, we will also save other things like the banner link, banner title. Okay, that we are also getting from the form $data. Here we are going to add link. Okay, and in the way two more, that is the title as well as alt. Title and alt. Also we can keep after that this image comes, and after image one more thing, and that is banner status. We can keep the status as 1. Every time the client adds the banner, we can keep it 1 or we can keep it 0. It's your wish. Okay, if you want the status as 0, so after that we are just simply required to save the banner. Okay, and save and redirect, return, redirect to admin banners, or redirect back. You can also work with success message, and the message is already we have defined in our function, this one. Okay, so now we can comment this one and we'll try to add the banner. Let's see if we can able to add the banner here. I'm going to close this one and we'll check and add edit banner. So I'm going to add it like this, Control Shift R, send, and let's see, some issue has come because we have not included the image here. Use image, we are using the intervention packet for the resizing and uploading the image, but we have not used use image. Okay, now once again we are doing, let's see, yes, we able to add new banner. You can see we able to add the new banner with spring collection, this one. Okay, so one more banner I'm going to add here, add banner. Okay, so once again I'm going to try with the different banner this time, and link, any link you can give here, like the tops link this time. We can give all 3 like tops, and you can submit here and see the tops have come up. One more banner we have added. Now we are going to edit it. See, tops is coming fine here. Suppose we want to make the link like new tops, and we want to like tops title, tops alt. Okay, just to verify that it is just working correctly. See, we able to modify as well. Okay, and one thing we need to see here, that if you are going to check for this image, see, image is going at the time of edit. Okay, so that thing we need to correct. The image is missing at the time of the edit, it is not working. So for that we need to update our code a little bit. So see here, this one is fine, but this one is not required. We are not required to make the image as empty. If the image is there, then we are going to add, otherwise we are not going to update. Okay, so this one will work. Okay, so now see, I'm going to add the image. First of all, this image I'm going to add here, banner 2 submit. Okay, see, the image has come up now. Now if we want to just update the test, new submit, and we'll see it is still coming, we can able to still see the image. But delete image or delete banner is not correct. We are going to remove it whole. User is going to remove as a whole. If we want to remove, he can simply delete that banner and we'll add new one. So this delete image option we will not give here. So we can simply remove this option. Otherwise you can add it in the same way like we have done with the categories module, but I don't think that required. If the user want to update the banner, then he can update, but if he don't want that banner, he can simply remove it. He can simply remove from the outside, from here. Okay, so here only the view option will come, so that he can view the big image, big banner, full banner. Okay, and rest of the are working fine. Okay, so I'm going to remove these two. Yes, delete it, this one as well as this one that we have added. Now the two banners are there, so we will try to make this banner dynamic. In the next video we are going to make them dynamic at the front end. Okay, so here we are going to use these banners at the front end. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now.